Got a mail call today. Got from the garage. In the garage with Zippi. He sent me a couple of his cards. One of them's a flute card. It's got proof on it right here, but he got them in by a mistake order from the supplier, and then he got another order after contacting them, and he got the original card in. We're gonna put this one here up there on the family channel sticker board. Hey, check him out on YouTube. I'll put a link in the description. Heck yeah, man. On the back of it, it says, Larry, thanks for supporting my channel, Zippi. Heck yeah. Got the date and everything on it. Pretty awesome card. Good channel. Check him out. He's got a really nice looking Chevrolet truck. It sits in his garage. Y'all check him out. He's a model builder. Hobbiest RC. He's also a model builder. And so check him out, man. Family channel sticker board's getting bigger and bigger, better and better. Got all these cool channels on it. Y'all make sure you like and subscribe.